Here you go, Kayla.
The fish is yummy. The fish that we're eating, kitambo, it is very yummy. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel, This
Good
Give
girl.
us views.
Yeah.
The guys for mommy.
Yay!
Hi,
Yummy. How are you all doing? Welcome back again to this amazing channel, Mwati Datia. This is my Saturday, and omothe denda kumwonierea ndugaga thamaki, or how to kupika wet fry fish. Sorry about that. It's the Gikuyu in me. Now imagine already nishaanza kukula because the fish inavutia. Niliuma jana, the fish nililetewa jana, so nika have a bite yesterday and it is yummy. And today I want to fry it, so I want us to do this. So yeah, I'm just gonna use powdered garlic, and I have paprika, and I have salt. Alafu niko na tomatoes, onion and dania, just that. So I'm just gonna start off with my onion. Tukate kitunguu, to slice. I feel like I want to add more onion, lakini that's enough. So the onion is ready. Tuende tukaange onion as we come back here and prepare the tomatoes, and that's it. So this is the pan that I'm using. Nyosha jiko hivyo, and nike mafuta. Oh my god, that's a lot. That's a lot. So nimegawa mafuta, that was a lot. It was quite a lot. So I let the oil heat a little bit, alafu nitaweka kitunguu yangu ndio iweze kuiva na kupika haraka. Yeah. So natengeneza tu just a simple wet fry fish, and I'm sure it's gonna be amazing. Of course we are having it na ugali. Nishapika ugali. And I can see the oil, it's heating up. Tuongeze onion yetu. It's not so hot. It's fine, it's okay. And here is my muika. I need to rinse it off. I rinse it off. I've rinsed, sorry. Nikuja tukoroge hivyo, alafu taongeza salt kidogo tu. I love it when I cook my salt. Tuifunikie kidogo. Twende pale tutengeneze our tomatoes. So tukate tomatoes zetu. Takata small sizes. The tomato is ready. Kuja chukue my dania. Dania nitakata baadaye. Sawa, masalimia.
Hi guys, so today we are going to eat fish. It's an excited Saturday, and it's a good Saturday. My mother has plaited my hair.
Oh, and I think you look good. Yeah. So guys, what do you think? What do you think? Have I not tried? Come closer, Kayla.
And say,
Okay.
you're eating fish.
Okay. All right. Sawa sawa.
Here's our fish.
Yes. Yani everyone here is just excited to nakula fish.
Yeah. Hey.
So bye bye guys. Bye.
Bye. Look at frog.
Acheni mami apike. So yeah. And there is my onion. I think it's ready. Sipendi kama imeiva sana. So I'm not going to add my tomatoes. How many tomato? I'm going to add my tomatoes. Apple, we're still gonna add our spices. This is ginger, a little bit of it, kidogo too. Oh my god, I ended up putting a lot, but it's okay. And a little bit of paprika. Kadogo too. So dania itakuwa ya mwisho. Then of course you stir. This is just a simple recipe of wet fry fish. So let's check on our tomatoes and zinaiva. Unaona? Ukiweka spices kuna venye zinaiva haraka. I don't know the chemistry behind that. So nitaongeza tu maji ndio ziive kabisa. I'm gonna add some hot water. My tomatoes are ready. I think ziko sawa, so we can tuweke sasa fish yetu pale. And the fish is quite big. Naona pani yangu ni kama ni ndogo. So now I cook it on low heat kabisa. I'm gonna add some soap. So let's give our fish a little turn slowly. My god, it looks so hard. Staki ikatike. Yeah, good. Though nimefanya mesa hapo kidogo, but it's looking all good. It's looking yummy. And I hope it doesn't have a lot of bones. So will be our toto. Oh my god, this is so yummy. Tamu. So I give it dakika mbili ikae hapo kidogo alafu nitoe. Yeah. So So guys, my fish is ready and I'm serving it right from here. So, and because I want to serve the kids first, so guys, the fish is yummy, yummy, delicious. Hapa kando niko na ka lemon, tamwagilia kidogo tu. Yeah, there you go. Very simple ingredients. Nimeweka tu tomato and dania actually, and now onions. And then I put some ginger, powdered ginger, and paprika, and that's it. And the fish is yummy, yummy. So I can't wait. I can't wait. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and see you on to the next one.